Getting started with EZPlan. When you log in with your username and password, you'll be taken to this page, the project page. Here you define your projects. This first table lets you define a project with a name, a description, which is usually the address, an identifier, usually the same as the name, and a start date. It's that simple. The table below lists all your projects, and when you select one and click Submit, then you go to the Launchpad where you can edit and further enhance your project. Delete a project when you're done with it. The next table really demonstrates the power of EZPlan because it allows you to save any of your projects as a template, and then you can reuse that project over and over again without having to fill in a lot of tedious details. The next table lets you restore a saved project as a new project with a new name, a new identifier, new address, new start date, and it takes the costs from the scope of the last project, the actual costs, and restores them as projected costs with a percentage increase or decrease if you prefer. In the lower right-hand corner are a couple of important links. One lets you add employees and subcontractors together with their email address so that you can email them the plan and they know exactly when they need to start and finish. The other link takes you to a place where you set the holidays for your project. You can set it to skip weekends and statutory holidays. In fact, any day that you want, it will skip. You can create a plan for a house in minutes. Just use one of the pre-made plans by following the link on the left that says Plans. You'll be taken to this page where you can choose the plan you want. I'm going to choose a house interior as my project, and I'm going to give it a new name, Brown, a new start date, and I'm going to click Submit, and then it will load it for me into my projects. So now I'm going to launch Brown, and there it is in the Launchpad, where I can do all kinds of things to enhance it. You can see the list view of it. In the Launchpad, there's a link that says Gantt, and you can see a Gantt chart of your project. In that same menu in the Launchpad, you can click Edit, and it will take your project to the Edit page, where there's many fine features that you can use to easily edit your project. You can create a new line. You can associate a file with any one of the tasks. You can edit any of the details on any of the lines. There's the edit form right there. You can insert a new task in any place you want. The new task can be part of the critical path, or it can be a parallel task. You can upload a file, such as a PDF containing the plans or a map, and everyone will see it when the plan is mailed out to them. Click Mail, and you'll see this form with a list of all the contractors that you've put into your plan. You can check the ones you want to mail to, and it will send them a message along with the complete plan. And if you like, you can also use your default mailer to mail each one of those. Now, since all the steps are listed, it's easy to enter in your projected material costs, your projected labor costs, and you have a complete scope of what the project is going to cost. Upload a header for your contracting company, and it will personalize all your mailings. Also, you can create a website for your client. You can upload pictures of the progress of the project. You can attach the payment schedule. You can attach the Gantt chart if you want them to see the schedule. When your client receives the link for the website, all the pictures play within a nifty little slideshow. There's many other features that I don't have time to show you right now, but they're all equally easy to use because they're all done within EZPlan.